Here is a quick comparison between Portainer and Docker Desktop. Portainer delivers an enterprise-grade container management platform simplified and engineered for everyone. It has a multi-cluster agility, so this is very easy to use if you're just a beginner. On the other hand, Docker Desktop has a lot of features, such as ability to quick installation, includes the latest version on Windows, fast and reliable performance. So, if you want a quick working application, Docker Desktop is the good one for you. As you can see, you can go ahead and install it in any device that you have, which is very accessible to everyone. You don't have to find it in other websites. Now, here's a table for a concise comparison. For the type and installation, Portainer is management GUI or runs as a container on any Docker host, while Docker Desktop has a full development platform. For development environment, Portainer manages remote or local Docker engines, while Docker Desktop primarily for managing the local Docker engine only. And last but not the least, the primary goal provides a robust multi-user, while Docker Desktop provides a simple desktop integrated. So, if you want a beginner-friendly, Portainer is the good one for you. But if you're already a professional, Docker Desktop will be in good use.